Alright, so it's been a little while since I made a video. Car's still in the shop. Still waiting on a lot of shit, but I got a package from Anvil Auto. I'm gonna open it up. I don't know why I thought this would be heavy, but you know, it's pretty light. Oh, there's a t-shirt. Originally, it had came with like silver hardware. I told him I wanted black because the silver is gonna stand out too much, and I think that this is gonna go really good with the Wicker bolt extension. So it's kind of hard to see, but right there, there's like a nut and a bolt, and this piece of material is flexible, so I'm just gonna go through and put all these on the back of it right now.
The next day.
Yes. The cross thread.
No, it's not cross threaded. Perfectly fine, I'm just snugging it. When you put these rubber things in, they gotta be all the way in. See, look. See, this one's not in all the way? That one's in all the way? See, this one wasn't? They gotta be in all the way.
I'm gonna do an update on the fucking car. I think I took one clip the other day when you were fucking with the fuel pump.
I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. Flying off, 170 miles an hour. I will say this is the nicest piece of carbon fiber you've bought so far because it fits. How many things you bought for this car and the holes don't line up?
Today's episode of What the Fuck Did Ed Forget to Bring? Oh yeah, scrape that up. Yeah, right on the car.
Hey yo, you gotta get this one on tape because I forgot my light. Ah! There's gotta be a thing, yo!
Oh shit, it's a header right there.
There's a fucking Ed in here. I forgot my fucking...
Snap them all off. Oh, dude, there you go. Start breaking it. Rip the fabric. Rip it.
Nobody's ripping fabric. I'm grabbing the bottom
of
it. Okay, next time bring a flat screwdriver for that part.
There's fucking amazing. What are you doing? Don't worry about it. There might be a small issue.
What's a small issue?
Don't worry about it.
I didn't bring my magnet. I didn't even bring a fucking wrench. I don't think I have a 10 mil for my quarter inch. The wing should have fallen off by now.
It's 3M down there. It's not epoxy. I know that because the body guy took the epoxy off.
What the hell's in there then?
Don't worry about it.
What the hell's in that hole? I see a lot of glue in there.
You gotta get fucking a heat gun or something.
Oh yeah, because I just have a heat gun laying around. It is fucking on there. The wing wouldn't fly off with no bolts in it. Oh, this is not a good idea.
This is realistic, all right? Those other fucking install... Those other fucking install videos, bro. People just pop the shit off easy. Yeah, you got the torch.
Get close to this.
Burn the trunk off. Burn the trunk. Just fucking catching my trunk on fire.
Even close to it. I don't think I have my knife. I think my knife is in the beamer.
This is fucked, bro. We got no tools for the job. This is the most realistic fucking install video you guys will ever fucking witness in your life.
Don't do it. I'm like trying to think of how we're gonna even get a couple of sharp ass razor blades, which I thought I had one. Of course I don't. Please don't put the torches in the video. I knew it was gonna happen, but like I was preparing myself for it.
Oh, he's angry.
It was all the heat.
So if this shit don't want to come off, you just torch it. There you go. See? And then we got a little residual, and then we're good. It looks so different.
Way different.
I like it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look better.
See? So that's how you install it. And then we don't worry about any of that.
You're gonna have to hit up the body guy for that one. I ain't. I'll peel it.
I'm gonna record this for
educational purposes.
Yeah, bro. Because it comes factory with fucking 3M on there too. Everyone's install videos for other shit, bro. They just pop it right off. And there's no fucking residual bullshit. Nah, bro. My shit was way worse than this with the stock shit on there.
Realistic install video. 35 minutes to do a 10-minute job. 350 pounds. Fucking downforce on a track.
You don't want that. If you're doing roll races or digs and shit, you want that. If you're doing track bullshit, you want that. There we go. All right?
This has a lot less drag.
Yeah, dragless man. Complete install done. Mad easy. All you need to install this fucking fine item is a fucking blowtorch, some fingernails, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of dikes. Yeah.
Flat screwdriver, don't cut your fingernails. And make sure your battery is fully charged.
Yes, battery man.
You don't gotta climb in the back.
Exactly.
Lift the trunk up. Don't lose the wing.
Oh, and I should mention this whole time, my car has been off the fucking ground.
There's nothing but the transmission in this vehicle. Uh-oh.
Don't uh-oh. And that concludes the install video. Yeah! I can do a pull. That shit's not coming off. It's a solid product.
Definitely is nice.
Nah, oh dear.
Yeah, definitely it fits nice. Better than the other one.
This is definitely better. And I almost didn't buy it with the Wicker Bill shit on there, but the dude told me that they had the one they had in stock already had the shit drilled, so kind of glad. It might have been too basic without it.
What?
Without that fucking plexiglass part.
Oh, you gotta have the plexiglass.
Yeah, shit would have been
That's that
too
extra
regular.
little-
All right, well, yeah, that wraps up the fucking
Oh, gee, fits good.
install video of this. Yeah.
The install video.